So we need to be able to evaluate expressions with negative and fractional indices using these index laws, which you might have seen at GCSE. But before that, I want to look at very quickly at this example. So firstly, we need to evaluate 4 to the half. Well, to a half, it's the root. So root 4, which should just be positive 2. Okay, we only get the positive number out of a root. Okay, out of a square root anyway. But then we need to solve the equation x squared is 4. Now then you would root both sides to get x, and then it'd be plus or minus root 4, and it'd be plus or minus 2. Okay, so when you are solving an equation like this, we need to consider the plus and the minus, okay, all the possibilities. But when we're just rooting, we only consider the positive answer. So because root 4 is just positive 2, so we get plus or minus root 4, so plus or minus positive 2. Okay, so now we're going to move on to these examples. So we have a of 8 over 27 to the power of 2/3. Well, with this, firstly, 2/3 we divided by 3, so we'd be doing 8 over 27 by 1/3, then raised to the power of 2, right? If you multiply 1/3 times 2, we get 2/3. So that means, firstly, we need to do the power of 1/3, which means we cube root everything. So cube root of 8 over cube root of 27. Well, cube root of 8 is 2, cube root of 27 is 3, then that's all raised to a power of 2, so then we square the top and the bottom to get 4 over 9. Okay, part B, we have 9 over 16 to the power of minus 3 over 2. Now in this case we have a negative first, so we need to flip it because the negative is a reciprocal. So flip the fraction to 16 over 9. Then that's the power positive 3 over 2. And then we can firstly root both sides because it's out of 2. So if we root both sides, root 16 over root 9 to the power of 3. Calculate the roots. Well, root 16 is 4, root 9 is 3. Then to the power of 3, we cube both sides, both top and bottom. So 4 cubed is 64 and 3 cubed is 27. And that is my final answer. Okay, now we've got an exam question. Let's have a look at this. We are given that 2 to the x times 4 to the y is 1 over 2 root 2. Express x as a function of y. Well, firstly, we can simplify this bit here. 1 over 2 root 2 is 1 over 2 times x times 2 to the half. That'd be 1 over 2 to the 1 times 2 to the half. We add the powers to get 2 to the 3 over 2. Then this is a reciprocal, so that'd be 2 to the minus 3 over 2. So then we can say that 2 to the x times 4 to the y is 2 to the minus 3 over 2. And actually this 4 to the y, 4 is a power of 2, so that's 2 squared. So 2 to the x times 2 squared to the power of y is 2 to the minus 3 over 2. Well, we can expand this bracket by multiplying the power. So 2 to the x times 2 to the 2y is 2 to the minus 3 over 2. Then simply we can add the powers because now everything is we can add these powers together because we're multiplying the same number 2. So that'd be 2 to the x add 2 to the y is 2 to the minus 3 over 2. And then we could just compare the powers because everything is powers of 2. So therefore x of 2y is minus 3 over 2, and then express y as a function of x, so we need to rearrange to get y the subject. So 2y is minus 3 over 2 minus x, so then divide by 2 we get y to be minus 3 over 4 minus a half x, and that's my answer.